Hey guys, it's Bit Justice TV with the latest update and news on the CMR situation. And I'm not going to speak much on this topic because, yes, I've seen a publication that says the victim needs to be protected and we should refrain from saying anything that will identify the victim. And I agree with that statement. So I will not speak much on this topic as it relates to the victim. But CMR, you need to go down. You need to go down. And I hope you will be charged, locked away for a really long time, possibly life, because I think you deserve that. And you should go in the sex offender registry. You should do that. Because when the scandal came out months ago with you cheating with not per se underage girls, but really young girls, ladies that were not even 20, when the scandal came out, people were speculating that you have a pattern and you have a taste and a desire for young girls. Shibata spoke about it, and I don't agree with Shibata much when he speaks, but I must agree with that. You understand? Two ladies came out and they were really young, and it shows a pattern. And now you're being charged for molestation. I will not say the victim, but you deserve to be locked away for a really long time. You deserve that. So in this video, at the end of this video, I'll show you CMR's first court appearance. And if you look on this young man's face, you will realize that he barely have any remorse. He has no remorse for what he did. In the video, you can see him when the prosecutor requested no bond. He was like, oh my, I have to stay in here. That was the face expression he gave when they requested no bond for him. And he even tried to talk his way out of it as he appears like he's so innocent and he is like that person that wouldn't hurt a fly, and he tries to overtalk the judge into thinking that he's a good, credible guy, someone with morals. That's how he spoke when the judge asked him questions. And when they said no bond, he showed his face as if, oh, I will have to be in here all this time. He is even talking more than his actual lawyer. So I believe that he needs to go and represent himself. He has always been that type of person, an overtalker that tries to cover up his true intentions. He has always been doing that. And when the judge says, hey, we're going to give you bond, this man is rejoicing. This man was so happy. And I'm like, if you did what they said you did, you should feel like crap. Even when they said, hey, we're going to let you out of here, there shouldn't be any room for smiling if you did what you said you did. Because what you did was immoral. It was the worst possible thing a person could ever do to that particular victim that they said you did it to. And I see people out there blaming Chrissy for CMR's behavior. And I'm here to say, listen, I don't care much for their content. I don't watch their content to that extent where they feel like people should emulate their family because they have the perfect family out there. I don't watch their content. But I am not going to blame Chrissy for CMR's behavior. Chrissy is so much a victim as these ladies. Chrissy is a victim as well. Chrissy is a victim of this man's vindictive ways. This man is a demon disguised. You know, this is a demon disguised. And she did not know who she was married to. People are saying, hey, she knew because when it came out that he had sexual intercourse with those young ladies, she should have left him. Listen, if women out there are being true to themselves, they have men in their life that have cheated on them and they decide to give it another chance. And we're not talking about just dating. We're talking about women and men that are in marriage. They too have been through this infidelity situation with their husband and they've decided to give it another chance. Some men learn from their mistakes and have decided to treat their wives better, while other men, it's just their pattern. They just try to cover it up more, but it's just their pattern. And you deserve to be locked away. I guarantee if you just get a slap on the wrist, you will be doing this again. Two ladies have came out and said that you had sex with them and even tried to pay them off. And I guarantee that there are other women out there that you did the same to, but maybe they were just too young and just did not want their parents to know. Or for some reason, they just thought they were in love and don't want to hurt you. But that was not your first to encounter with young girls. You have done it before. And here you are, once again, in the spotlight for touching someone that is between the age of 12 and 15. That is a disgrace. That is a baby. You are a disgrace to men that have girl children. You're a disgrace. Now, women that are single mom, that wish to date and have young girls around them, would not want to date men and take them around their daughter. Because they will not know the true intention of that person. Because in the public eyes, you behave as if you're a man with morals and class. In the public eyes, you behave as if you're a father, you are a husband, you're a provider, a protector, you're a man with class. But here you are, in the public eyes, for touching a baby. And I say a baby because 15 and below is still considered a baby. It is still considered a baby. And guys, I want you to go and watch a video at the end and then hit me up in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Tell me if this is a man that is sorry for what he did. Tell me if this is a man that society say is going through a lot. This is a man that is a predator that would like to groom and watch from a distance and then attack the prey. So watch the video, guys, and tell me what you think.
All right, Madam Clerk has made note of that, and that will be granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Kushane Carter?
Yes, ma'am.
So I reviewed a probable cause charging affidavit that charges you with lascivious behavior with a child, and I do find probable cause. I will appoint the office, well, actually, this indicates that you don't qualify for the Office of Public Defender. Sir, raise your right hand to be sworn in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
So this affidavit that I'm looking at says that you have take-home pay of about $55,000 a year, correct?
Say that again.
It says you have take-home pay after taxes of about $55,000 a year?
That's the calculation I made for this year. Prior year, we were doing, because I'm self-employed, I was doing well, but based on the finances, or it seemed this year.
All right, so you're in jail right now. Do you get any money while you're in jail from your job?
No, ma'am. What I do is
Just yes or no?
Oh,
Okay.
no, ma'am.
All right, and you have VA benefits of $2,500 a month that you're receiving?
Yes, ma'am. And 13 something for schooling, but that ends in when this semester ends, which should be end of this month.
All right, that's the $1,300 you're referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, based on his verbal testimony, I will find that he's got debts of $10,000 and he's incarcerated. He's not earning the income currently. So I will find that he does qualify for the services of a court-appointed attorney, and I'll appoint the Office of the Public Defender to represent him.
Perfect, thank you.
With respect to the charge, sir, of lewd or lascivious behavior or molestation, state wish to be heard. Is this, I don't think it's a dangerous crime.
That is correct. We would be motioning the court to hold the defendant no bond at this time under Florida Statute 907041 5D. Actually, we would be motioning for pretrial detention.
I'm going to deny your request. I'm going to set bond, given what I'm reading in the probable cause charging affidavit. And I'm going to set bond, sir, in the sum of $7,500 with special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You'll maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that?
Roger that.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's just requesting a one-time return with law enforcement to get his things.
I'll grant that a one-time return.
Thank you, Your Honor.